Hello, here is my project on Nodejs authentication app. So now let's look at the code part. So here is the login part. So this basically store the email and password that is entered by the user and basically fetch the data by using email, and if the user is exist, it will basically compare the password entered by the user and the password stored in a database, and basically on that, if both the data are matched, then it will basically render the login page. If not, it will redirect you back to the home page. Now here is the reset password. So it will basically check whether the password and confirm password entered by the user are same or not. If same, it will basically update the password data by using find one and update function from the database. Now here is the register part. So this basically store name, email, password and confirm password that entered by the user, and basically fetch the user, and if the user is existed on the database, then it will not create any user, and if not, it again check if password and confirm password are same or not. If same, then it create a data and also stored password in encrypted form by using bcrypt.hash function. Now here is the forgot password function. So for forgot password part, so it will basically check if the user is exist or not. If user is valid, then it will basically flash a message that password is sent to email. Now let's look at the Google login authentication, that is social authentication. So for that, I have used passport Google Auth 2, and I have used passport Google Auth 2 strategy. I have here I have stored a client ID, client secret and callback in env file, and I have serialized the user data, and after authentication I have used that serialized data by using request.session.password.user.email for basically fetching the email data, and via email I have I have created a user and rendered the login page. So for reCAPTCHA part, I have used Google reCAPTCHA, and if the reCAPTCHA is not done, then it will basically return false, and if reCAPTCHA is done, that is reCAPTCHA is done, then it will basically render the login page. And for that I have used grayCAPTCHA.getResponse function. So here was the code. Now let's look at the final result. So this is the final result. Now you can log in. I have already saved my details, so I am not a robot, so you can log in here. So notification login successful. You can log out and reset password. So if you want to reset password, then you can click here and enter any password, that is 123 and 123. Both the password are same, then it will basically change the password. Password reset successful. Now login using Google. So it will basically open. Now login. Sorry, it's saying invalid. Now login. So you cannot reset password because you are logging through Google, so you can only log out. So I am log out now. So you can also create your register any user by using register function as well, and clicking login, you can log in here.